Alright, Mr. Levi, tell everybody how you love a peach. Say, I love a peach. Yeah, and I like to do it myself. I don't want anyone to cut it up and spoon feed it to me. You tell him. You tell him. Tell him how you love it. I know, you can't have the camera because you're dirty. You're covered in peach and banana. Boo. Yeah, Mommy's back here. Boo. Don't choke on it. Boo.